Are you struggling to turn website visitors into loyal customers? Many digital marketing beginners feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of strategies out there. But what if there was a clear, step-by-step path that guides your audience from initial interest to making a purchase? That's exactly what a marketing funnel does. Today, we're breaking down the complete beginner funnel, explaining its core components, and showing you real examples to help you succeed. So, what exactly is a marketing funnel? Think of it as a journey your potential customers take, narrowing down from a broad audience to committed buyers. It's a strategic framework designed to attract, engage, and convert prospects into paying customers, then into repeat buyers. This structured approach ensures you're not just throwing content out there, but guiding people purposefully through your offerings. Now, why do funnels matter more than just chasing followers? While a large following is nice, it doesn't automatically translate into sales. A funnel focuses on quality over quantity, nurturing relationships with those most likely to convert. It's about building trust and demonstrating value at each stage, leading to more predictable and sustainable growth. Let's break down the key components of a beginner funnel, starting with content. This is the top of your funnel, designed to attract a wide audience. Think blog posts, social media updates, or short videos. The goal here is to provide value and capture attention, drawing people into your ecosystem. Next, we have the lead magnet. This is a valuable free resource offered in exchange for contact information, typically an email address. Examples include free ebooks, checklists, templates, or exclusive webinars. It's a low-commitment way to get a lead. Following the lead magnet is the email sequence. Once you have their email, you can nurture the relationship. This involves a series of automated emails that provide more value, build trust, and introduce your solutions. Finally, we reach the offer. This is where you present your paid product or service to your now engaged audience. The offer should directly address the problems your audience has, building on the value you've already provided. Let's look at a live example using a simple digital product, an online course on social media marketing. Our content might be a blog post titled 5 Social Media Trends You Can't Ignore in 2024. The lead magnet could be a free social media content calendar template offered at the end of the blog post. Once they download it, they enter our email sequence. The first email thanks them and provides tips on using the template. Subsequent emails share more valuable social media insights and testimonials from past students. Finally, the offer email introduces our comprehensive Mastering Social Media Marketing online course. This entire journey is designed to build trust and demonstrate the value of our expertise. Even with a solid plan, beginners often make common funnel mistakes. One is not having a clear target audience. Without knowing who you're speaking to, your content and offers will miss the mark. Another mistake is neglecting to nurture leads. Simply collecting emails isn't enough. You need to engage them. Also, don't make your offer too early or too aggressively. Build value first, then present your solution. Finally, not tracking your results is a huge oversight. You can't optimize what you don't measure. For beginners, the tools needed are surprisingly simple. You'll need a website or landing page builder. Platforms like WordPress with a page builder plugin or dedicated landing page tools like Lead Pages or Unbounce are great options. Next, an email marketing service is essential. MailChimp, ConvertKit, or ActiveCampaign are beginner-friendly choices. You'll also need a way to create your lead magnet, which can be as simple as Google Docs or Canva. And finally, some basic analytics tools, often built into your website platform or Google Analytics, to track performance. Building a marketing funnel doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple, learn, and iterate. The key is to consistently provide value and guide your audience through a clear path. Remember, a well-designed funnel is your most powerful tool for converting interest into income. If you're ready to implement these strategies, I've created a comprehensive funnel template just for you. Grab my funnel template, link below.